Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when the battery level of your earbuds is not reliable. The first one what we should do is check is you have the last software version, so open SOUNDCORE application and now go to the settings at the right top. Right here we have update firmware, so you need to tap on it. It checked for update and it said that I have the last software version. If you haven't, install a new one. If it didn't help you, the last what I can recommend it to you is to put your earbuds to the charging case, then close the case and wait about 15 seconds. The battery level of the earbuds and the charging case will update and it can fix your problem. And after 15 seconds you just open it and check it. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.